Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore EV battery preconditioning with Google Calendar routines easy tutorial step by step clearly. To restore EV battery preconditioning using Google Calendar routines, follow these steps. Open your Google Calendar on your computer or mobile device. Create a new event by selecting the plus button or create option. Set the date and time for when you want the preconditioning to start. In the event details, include a title that specifies it's for battery preconditioning. Add the necessary information in the description field. This can include your EV charging location and desired battery temperature settings. Enable notifications to remind you when it's time to start preconditioning. Scroll down to find the Add Notification option. Set a notification for a time that works for you, preferably 15 to 30 minutes before departure. Next, locate the Does Not Repeat option in the event settings. Change it to set a custom repeating schedule if needed, such as daily or weekly. Now, include specific location details in the location field. This helps ensure your preconditioning is targeted to your charging location. Once done, click Save or Done to finalize the event. Open your Google Assistant if available on your device. Say, "Hey Google, add a routine." Assign a name to your routine, like EV preconditioning routine. Select Add Action and then tap on Adjust Thermostat if your car supports it. Specify the temperature settings for battery preconditioning in the action details. Set the routine to trigger at the same time as your calendar event time. Finally, confirm all settings and save the routine. Your Google Calendar event and Google Assistant routine are now linked. This setup will automatically prepare your EV battery for optimal performance in advance of your journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.